So welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna show you how you can remove your front lip step by step. I have seen many guides that missing out some screws and other details, so this is the ultimate guide for you. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. See ya! So in the wheelhouse you have at least 4 or 5 screws you need to remove. You also have one screw behind here. It's kinda annoying screw, but you don't need to put this screw back. So under car you're gonna find this clips. Just take a trim tool, bend it out and remove it. Then you need to remove all those screws on the top here. Don't forget to unplug your fog lights too. So then you remove the headlight washer. You start to put out the washer and bend the long side of the cover out. Watch out so you not broke the clips. Then you see those 2 clips here. You're gonna bend this to you and just drag it out. It's not the easiest angle to show, but you're probably gonna understand when you figure this out by yourself. On the inside of the front you're gonna find out the wire to the headlight washer going from each side. Make sure to remove that before you put down the front on the floor. Also be careful when you remove the front so you not scratch your headlights. So that's how easy it is to remove the front. Don't forget to subscribe.